on. Big fish right there. Hopefully that is a yellowfin. A yellowfin. Come on, boss. Get it, get it. Get it, boss. Yeah, man. Oh my God, that's the biggest rod. Sabi ko na nga ba mga idol, makakadali pa kami nito. Ayan, si bossing namin. Woo, it's hard. It is hard. Oh my God. Oh wow. Woo. It is hard. Halos di mahatak ni Amo. Ayun. Woo. Finally. You got a big one, boss. Woo. I can see up there. Nice. Hey, not like you,
That's
Erwin.
my boss, Captain!
Oh, what the? Hey!
Captain, that's my boss! You know my boss? Boss Rick! That's my boss!
Lucky! The lucky one! Woo! Come on! Oh, what? No! Still on. Still on. Don't get lost. Oh yeah, it's still there. Don't worry, you have a lot of cameraman right here, boss. Oh, I saw it is jumping. It's jumping.
Mr. Ronilo, 20 tons centralized! 20 tons!
Woo! You got it. It's jumping. Woo! Yes. Marlin ata nadali. Lumilipad-lipad mga idol. May lipad-lipad. Medyo malayo pa. Malalaki along kaya hindi natin masyadong makita gaano. Ito si Kapitan bumaba na. Woo! Nice one. Come on, big fish. It's still there. Oh. I think the fish is tired already, boss. Nadali rin, no? Where was it? I saw it's jumping. Yeah, wait. Antayin natin hanggang sa maahon natin mga idol. Hirapan si Amo. Ano kaya kalaki to? Almost there. Getting closer. It's getting closer. Oh, wow. Almost there. Yes, sir. Oh, I can see it. Right there. Woohoo. Yeah, man. Big one. What's that? Oh, wow. Oh, what? Wow. Damn. Here we go. We got it. Woohoo. We got it. Barracuda. What? Oh, shit. I can see it. Oh, wow. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, we got barracuda. Oh, right there. Boom. Wow. Oh, wow. Good job, boss. That's my boss. That's my captain, okay? That's my captain, okay?
That's my boss!
Barracuda. Oh, wow. Big boss. Big boss. Barracuda. Tawag nila dito barracuda. Yeah. Anong tawag sa atin yan? Barracuda na yan? Tanigi? No, it's not. Come on, run. This way. Alright. Oh, laki ng alon, idol. Yun. Sunod sa banga. Nice, Captain. Good job. Thank you, my idol. Kitang-kita nyo na paano ahunin yung malaking isda. Umuulan na naman. Ayun, sa wakas. Kasasabi lang na sana makahuli. Hindi nga nagkakamali. Salamat mga idol sa panonood ulit. Balik tayo mamaya. At lumalakas yung ulan. Pahinga muna tayo. Shout out diha. Ingat po tayo lahat. Maraming salamat.